Recipe for chicken karahi. Ingredients: 1 kilogram chicken cut into pieces, 1/2 cup oil, 2 onions sliced, 2 tomatoes, chopped, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 2 green chilies, chopped, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, salt, to taste fresh coriander leaves, chopped. For garnish, instructions: heat oil in a karahi or a deep pan over medium-high heat. Add sliced onions and fry until they turn golden brown. Add ginger and garlic paste, and sauté for a few seconds until the raw smell disappears. Add chopped tomatoes and green chilies, and cook until the tomatoes are soft and the oil separates from the mixture. Add red chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, and salt, and stir well. Add the chicken pieces and mix well, coating them evenly with the masala mixture. Cover the karahi and let the chicken cook on low heat for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the chicken is tender and cooked through. Stir occasionally. Once the chicken is cooked, turn off the heat and garnish with chopped coriander leaves. Serve hot with naan or roti. Enjoy your delicious chicken karahi.